Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our barely owned 2018 Toyota Yaris SE. It's in the magnetic gray exterior and it has the black cloth interior. Only has 12,000 kilometers on it and has a clean car proof. Let's take a look inside. It has power windows with auto down on the driver's side. There's power locks. Driver and passenger seat are manual adjustable. Has power adjustable mirrors, the interior lights for the dash. Includes Toyota Safety Sense, which is the lane departure alert, auto high beams, and the pre-collision system. Steering wheel is leather wrapped, and it's tilt and telescopic adjustable with audio and Bluetooth controls. Cruise control. Has digital clock, outside temperature. Has just over 12,000 kilometers on it. The touchscreen display, 6-speaker audio system, has AM, FM radio, CD player, it's Bluetooth and MP3 compatible, and this is where your backup camera is. Climate control settings, including air conditioning, rear defrost with timer, and heated mirrors. USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt accessory outlet. There's cup holders, automatic transmission, traction control, and the heated front seats. Review mirror and your interior lights. There's 16-inch alloy wheels with wheel locks. Has keyless entry. There's a second set of mats. It's a tunnel cover. It's easily removable. You can use it to hide your private belongings that you don't want anybody seeing. Back seat is a 60-40 split if you need more room. So one seat can go down, or two, or all three. There's power windows. There's a pocket on the back of the passenger seat. Rear cup holder. Has side curtain airbags and the anchor points for the child car seats. The exterior mirrors are power adjustable and heated. Halogen headlight system with LED daytime running lights, fog lights, and much more. Come see our barely owned 2018 Toyota Yaris SE at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.